Withdrawing money on Magento can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through the withdrawal process. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Magento account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, go to the main dashboard. Look for the Financial or Account Management section where you can find options related to transactions and withdrawals. Step 3. Select Withdrawal option. In the Financial section, locate the Withdrawal option. This may be labeled as Withdraw Funds or Transfer Money. Click on this option to proceed with the withdrawal process. Step 4. Enter withdrawal details. Fill in the required information for the withdrawal, such as the amount you wish to withdraw and your preferred payment method. Ensure all details are accurate to avoid delays. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Following these steps will help you successfully withdraw money from your Magento account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.